Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials, your connection speed and path. Run a speed test and make sure you hit roughly 10 Mbps or more with ping under 50 ms. Once done, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or plug into Ethernet if possible to cut packet loss. Then close background apps on your PC or console and pause any downloads that steal bandwidth. Finally, set Xbox Cloud Streaming to best performance so you prioritize latency over visual extras. Now you tackle middle steps that make the biggest difference. Reboot your modem and router, apply any firmware updates, and physically move the router closer to your console when you can. Enable Co-S and prioritize your Xbox or the UDP port's Fortnite uses so packets get through first. Swap to a reliable DNS like Cloudflare or Google to slightly reduce lookup delays, and test adjusting MTU on your router for fewer fragmented packets. These tuning moves reduce jitter and stabilize frame delivery. Finish by validating the experience and having a fallback plan. Start a Fortnite cloud session and monitor packet loss and jitter. Use Xbox App Diagnostics to capture metrics. If problems persist, swap to another network or a mobile hotspot briefly to see if your ISP route is the culprit. Make sure to reboot in the proper order: modem, router, then console, so cache is clear. If you still see lag, contact your ISP with the diagnostics. They can trace routing and resolve persistent latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.